Welcome back to Current Pulse, where we break down the biggest legal and political stories shaping South Africa and beyond. Today, we dive deep into the highly anticipated case of Cat Matlala, a case that has gripped the nation. Breaking from the Alexandra Magistrate's Court, Vusimuzi Cat Matlala, linked to the attempted murder of actress Tebogo Thobajane, appeared today. Was bail granted? Short answer, no. And there's a twist about 7 dockets being pulled together. Let's dig in. Matlala is a businessman, often dubbed a tenderpreneur in headlines. He's facing serious violent crime allegations, with prosecutors tying him to a network of cases that different police stations have investigated: Orlando, Sandton, Pretoria, Vereeniging, hence the push to centralize multiple dockets into one major case. Today's appearance was brief. The court did not rule on bail. Instead, the matter was postponed to Tuesday, the 2nd of September 2025 for the formal bail hearing, so Matlala remains in custody. The National Prosecuting Authority says it will oppose bail. Their reasons? The seriousness of the charges, the scope across multiple stations, and the need to centralize 7 dockets before this case proceeds in a unified way. In short, they argue releasing him now risks interference and complicates a complex investigation. Centralization means merging related dockets into a single case so one court and one prosecutor can see the full picture, patterns, links, and timelines instead of fighting the same fire in 4 different towns. Prosecutors argue it's essential here because 7 dockets may show a broader criminal pattern. Not everyone in this orbit is behind bars. Reports indicate some co-accused have bail, including Matlala's wife, Sakani, at R20,000, and another accused's daughter, while Matlala and others remain detained. There's also a separate return date for co-accused tied to the centralization process, the 7th of October 2025. Today, no bail. Formal hearing postponed to the 2nd of September. NPA will oppose, says case is multi-site and serious. 7 dockets are being centralized. Co-accused status, mixed, some on bail, others detained. Matters continue the 7th of October 2025. On the 2nd of September, expect arguments on flight risk and interference. Does releasing him risk witness tampering or evidence issues? Strength of the state's case at this stage, enough to keep him in, public interest and the gravity of alleged offenses. Courts weigh these against the right to liberty and presumption of innocence. Bail isn't guilt or innocence, it's a risk assessment. This is more than a headline. Centralizing 7 dockets could shape how prosecutors present alleged criminal networks to the court. One narrative, fewer gaps. It also signals how the state tackles multi-jurisdictional violent crime matters tied to public figures and high-profile allegations.